back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to do object detection using MediaPipe in native Android application. So first of all I will show you the output, and here as you can see I have one label as well as one button. Once I click on the button it opens an image picker, and once you have picked an image I will just try to do object detection for that particular image. So yeah, here I have opened my image picker, and as you can see I have picked an image of the cup, and here you can see it is displaying a cup as the object detected. So let's see how to do this. So first create a native Android application, and you can also go to this documentation, because if you scroll this documentation we need to download this model, TF Lite model. So I'll just show you where it is. Here you have to go to the model section, and from here I have just download this first model. If you download this float 16 or float 32, the model size will increase, but it will have better accuracy as compared to int 8, but for simplicity sake I have kept it int 8. Okay, just download this model. Once you download this, what you will have to do is just right click on your app, new folder, assets folder, just click on finish. I have already created this, and inside the assets folder you will have to drag and drop your TF Lite model. Next you will have to go to build.gradle.kts, and here you will have to add this dependency. At the time of this recording this is the latest dependency, but if you want to know what is the latest version if you are watching this in the future, so just make this 0.0.0, and Android Studio itself will tell you what is the latest version. So just right click and I will just change it to whatever is the latest, and just click on sync now. And if you see my activity underscore main, I have just taken a text view as well as a button. And if you go to my main activity, all I have done is that I have taken our text view as well as a button. Then I have created options for our object detector. This should be the name of your TF Lite model, so be careful with this. Whatever name you have given over here, make sure you are using the same name. Here we are setting the model asset path, and the running mode is for image. Max results I have set it to 5, but I am just displaying the first result, and then I am calling build, and then this is the variable for our object detector. For now I will just minimize this. Here I have initialized our text view and button, and here we are creating our object detector dot create from options. Then on button click I am calling this get content dot launch array of image slash star. So basically we are opening the image picker. So here you can see I am using activity results contract dot open document. Once we get the URI, I am switching to the IO coroutine, and from URI we are creating a bitmap image. Once we create a bitmap, we need the bitmap in a particular format. That's why I am doing this. Then we are converting our bitmap to a MP image, because that's what is required by the object detector. And then we are calling object detector dot detect MP image, and from that we just get our classification result. Then again I come back to the main coroutine, main thread. Then from that classification result I call detections method, which is a list of detections, and if it is not equal to empty, I am just getting the first results category, and that also gives us a list of categories. And if that is also not equal to empty, I am getting the first item, and I am just displaying category name and display name, and in case of other things I am just saying no data. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.